Open to an example where we have talk about the surface area of a rectangular box. First thing I want you to do is find the equation. Now, we did that in pre-calc, but it's good to have a little reminder. Right down here, I actually have a picture of a closed box. So here's the box, and it said it's a square base, the sides are x, and the height is y. So the height here, see the height is y. The square base, the sides are x by x, right? That's what they said up here. Square base, side x, height y. So that's what it looks like. Now, how do you find the area of this bottom here? Well, it's just x times x, right? X squared. That's how you find the area of a rectangle. You multiply one side by the other side, right? Area of a rectangle, just like a flat rectangle box, is just length times width, isn't it? It's length times width. You know how that works, right? Like say you had here, I don't want that to just I don't want anything to be magic in math. It's not magic, it's logic. Let me show you. What if we had one, two, three? No, that's not the best. Here, let's do four. All right. And one. So how many total squares are there? Well, you know it's three tall and it's four wide, and there must be 12 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my point is, the area of a rectangle, space in the middle rectangle is one side times the other side. So the space in the base, this is the base, is x times x, because they said it was a square base, sides x. Okay, now, and why do we have two? Because there's the top and the bottom. So we have two of those x squared. This is just the bottom right here. This is just the base, but there's also the top, right? So there's two x squareds. Okay, and then on the other one, this side right here, that's x times y. The height is y, and right, and so it's x times y, and there's four sides. So there we go. So there's the formula. So that's how we do part one. Now, part A. And then part B, now they want us to find dy dx. So let's bring that on down. We're going to have, what is it? It's the surface area is 4xy plus 2x squared. So the surface area is 4xy plus 2x. Either order, I put the x squared in the back, they put it in the front, whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, and then they tell us that the surface area, which means all the outside of the box, all the cardboard made out of cardboard or whatever, all that cardboard, surface area is 230 square feet. So we're saying, oh, okay. So this surface area is 230. And now what do they want? They want dy dx. So you know what we're going to do. You take the derivative of both sides. Step one, derivative of both sides. Now, the derivative of a plane number that doesn't have an x or y is just zero because it's not changing. The rate of change is zero. Okay. How do we take the derivative of 4xy? Well, we remember the product rule because it's 4x times y. It's two functions multiplied. Product rule. 4x goes first, derivative of 4x is just 4 times the y unchanged plus the 4x unchanged times the derivative of y, which is y prime, plus 2x squared, the 2 comes down, 4x, subtract 1 from the power. There we go. Here's our y prime term, so that's what we want to solve for. So let's move these guys to the other side. This guy and this guy, let's just jump them to the other side. So we got minus 4y minus 4x is 4x y prime, right? When things jump to the other side, they change signs. Last step, divide on both sides by 4x, boom, boom, by 4x. Can I cancel those? No, no, this is added, subtracted. You can only cancel multiplied things. So there's y prime. What else do they want? Oh, then they say x is 5, y is 9. X is 5, y is 9. So then, oops, y is 9, so x is 5, 5, 9. Hit the buttons on your calculator. Looks like minus 36 minus 20 is minus 56. So 20 reduced divided by 2 top and bottom or 4. Let's do 4. Whatever. Just you can just hit the buttons on Desmos. It'd be 25, 28, 14 over 5, or you can give a decimal, it'd be 2.8, I think. Yeah, oh, is it minus? Oh, yeah, yeah. You're getting this. This is minus right here. Don't forget that minus. Minus 14 over 5 or 2.8, either way. And so there we go. Watch out for those negatives. Don't lose them like I just did.